E and F, E and F are points on the diagonal AC. Are E and F E and F are points on the diagonal AC of a parallelogram. E and F are points on the diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD. E and F are points on the diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD such that AE equal to CF. AE equal to CF. AE equal to CF. Show that BFDC is a parallelogram. BFDE is a parallelogram. Show that BFDE is a parallelogram. Question again. E and F are the points on the diagonal. E and F are points. E and F are points on the diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD. Okay. E and F are points on the diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD such that AE equal to CF. AE equal to CF. Show that BFDE is a parallelogram. BFDE is a parallelogram. Okay. Try now. When you try these questions, you are right given, but you have to prove this one. Okay.
So could you repeat after such that?
AE equal to CF. AE equal to CF. Show that BFDE is a parallelogram. Okay. E and F are points on the diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD such that AE equal to CF. Show that BFDE is a parallelogram. Okay, try now. E and F are points on diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD such that AE equal to CF. Show that BFDE is a parallelogram. Are you trying now?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you studied all reader questions, right? For the test, all reader questions,
Yes,
examples, reader exercise, and okay. Yeah. Which are the chapters you are studying?
Sir, construction and quadrilaterals.
Oh, that's only okay.
Sir, can you please like repeat which was the part we have to find?
B, F, D is a parallelogram. Given this equal to this one. A, B, C, D also parallelogram.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
Anyone have class 9 last year DPS paper? Class 9, not 8, class 8. Previous year's paper, anyone have?
Sir, I think I have. I'll check.
Okay, okay,
Sir, even
okay. If you had send it, you can just, quadrilateral portion, okay. But
Okay, sir.
last year portion is different. This year only polynomial started. Okay. So try this one. Okay, finish.
No, sir, just a minute.
No.
Sir, I have the previous year weekly test 2 question paper.
You have?
Yes, sir.
Send it now. Check quadrilateral is there or not.
Yes, sir, it is there.
Okay, then send it. You can just check it quadrilateral polynomial. Because last year there was no polynomial since like this time. Okay. Okay, who all got this one? Hello, Abdul Hadi.
Yes, sir.
Your school, which chapter going on?
Today only we started circles.
Circle. Okay, okay. After this, next week onwards, I'll start that. Okay, now, come on, tell me, who all got? Anaga, you finished? I don't
So
even-
almost done the last step.
Sir, I was just seeing the question paper now, sir. The portion, I think it was surface area and volumes and triangles.
Then leave it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this question. Hello, come on, man. Who all finish this question? Tell me first. Anubama finish? Arth,
No.
I finished.
Daksh, Ishan. Hello, you did this question before. Your radar question I gave you. Look at here. See the question? You saw?
Yes, sir.
Reader, then what you learned for today test? 8.1, 8.1 question number 9. That only. Look at here now. So what do you learn then? Take these two triangles. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why?
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior angle.
AB equal to CD. Opposite sides of parallelogram. AE equal to CF. Given. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by what? Side, angle, side.
SAS.
Hence, BE equal to DF. Okay, call it number 1. Similarly, not to prove it. Similarly, DE equal to BF. Number 2. So this equal to this one. In a quadrilateral, opposite sides are equal. It is a parallelogram. Therefore, BFDE is a parallelogram. Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
So next question. You already done this one. Okay. Right. Through ABC, through ABC, through A, B, and C. Through A, B, and C. Lines RQ. Lines RQ. Through A, B, C. Lines RQ. RQ, PR, PR, and QP. And QP. Okay. Through ABC, through ABC, lines RQ, PR, and QP have been drawn. Have been drawn parallel to BC, parallel to BC, CA, and AB. And AB. Okay. Show that BC equal to, show that BC equal to half QR. Show that BC equal to half QR. Show that BC equal to half QR. Okay.
So here we have to use that midpoint theorem, right?
Wait, let me finish the question. What midpoint here? Listen here. Through A, B, C, lines RQ, PR, and QP have been drawn parallel to BC, CA, and AB. Show that BC equal to half QR. Midpoint theorem, we cannot, how can apply it? There is no midpoint here. Okay. Show that BC equal to half QR. Midpoint theorem cannot apply here because it's not a midpoint. Clear now?
Okay, sir.
The question not mention anything about midpoint. How can I apply it? Okay, try now. Read the question. Through A, B, this parallel to this one, this parallel here, this parallel here. Then show that BC equal to half QR. Okay, try now. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. You try first. Hello. Anyone getting? Shravan, Yug, Yanesh.
Yes, sir. I'm trying.
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, look at here. We have to finish today. Only one day only this revision. Next class polynomial. Then again, look at here. RA parallel to BC, correct or no? RA parallel to BC, right? Okay or no? Hello.
Yes.
RA parallel to BC. Then BR parallel to CA. So this is one. So from 1 and 2, what you get? BC, RA is what? B
A parallelogram.
RA is a
Parallelogram.
parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. Correct now? B C RA is a parallelogram. So BC equal to RA. Call it number 3. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay. Similarly, B C QR QA is a parallelogram, correct? Because this parallel here, this parallel here. You write BC QA also parallelogram. Again, you can write BC equal to QA, number 4. Add both. BC plus BC equal to RA plus QA. 2BC equal to RA plus QA is what?
So RQ.
RQ.
QR. So that means BC equal to half QR. Okay, write first. You can write yourself, right? First
Yes,
you
sir.
write RA parallel to BC, given. BR parallel to AC, given. Therefore, BCAR is a parallelogram. In bracket, write opposite sides are parallel. Then you write, hence, BC equal to RA. Similarly, you write similarly now. BC equal to QA. 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4. BC plus BC equal to RA plus QA. 2 BC equal to QR. BC equal to half QR. Okay. Write rightful reasons. Okay. Don't directly write. Okay, finished now. So next question. Everyone finish? Yanesh.
So Yes, sir. Done. Sir, I did not. So
Okay, finish it first. Okay. Viraj,
Yes, sir.
finish or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you wrote? Just can you read what you wrote?
Sir, RA parallel to BC, column number 1 given.
Huh.
Then BR parallel to CA, column number 2 given.
Hmm.
Therefore, BCAR is a parallelogram. The reason is opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Hey, opposites are parallel.
Yes, sir.
Opposite,
Parallel.
right? Okay, then.
Then BC is equal to RA, column number 3.
Reason.
Similarly,
No, reason opposites are equal.
okay, sir.
Then similarly,
BC is equals to QA.
number 4.
Then from adding 3 and 4, we get BC plus
BC equal
C
to
is
RA
equal to RA plus QA.
equal to 2BC equal to
Twice of
QR.
BC is equal to QR. Therefore, BC is equal to half of QR.
Okay. Ismail, can you read? Ismail.
Yes.
Yeah, read.
RA parallel to BC and BR parallel to CA, both given. Hence, RACB is a parallelogram
Reason.
because the opposite sides are parallel.
Okay.
Both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Hence, BC equal to RA, number 1. Similarly, BC equal to QA, number 2. By adding 1 and 2, BC plus BC equal to RA plus QA. BC is equal to QA and BC equal to half QR.
Okay. So next question. D, E, F are midpoint of the sides. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides. D, E, F. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides BC, CA, AB respectively. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. D, E, F are the midpoint of the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay. Of an equilateral triangle ABC. Of an equilateral triangle ABC. Of an equilateral triangle ABC. Okay. D, E, F are the midpoint of BC, CA of an equilateral triangle ABC. Show that DEF also equilateral triangle. Show that DEF also equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle?
So all sides are equal.
All sides are equal.
Okay. Show that DEF also. Show that DEF also equilateral triangle. Okay, try now.
So could you repeat the question?
D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB. D, E, F are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB of equilateral triangle ABC. Of the equilateral triangle ABC. Okay. Prove that DEF also equilateral triangle. Prove that DEF also equilateral triangle. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Done, sir.
Okay. Why? D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint. First of all, you can write AB equal to BC equal to AC, right? Equal triangle. Because ABC is an equal triangle. D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint. By midpoint theorem, DE equal to half of AB. This is 1, this is 2. Similarly, EF equal to half BC. Number 3, DF equal to half AC. Number 4. First you write reason. AB equal to BC equal to AC. Okay. Sides of equilateral triangle. Then D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint. Then by midpoint theorem, DE equal to half AB. Similarly, EF equal to half AC, DF equal to half EF equal to half BC, DF equal to half AC. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get what? DE equal to EF equal to DF. Therefore, DF also equilateral triangle. Who all got this?
Sir, I got.
I got.
Okay.
Sir, I got.
Raj, you got?
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Mega, Ishan. Okay. Right. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Right. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. This weekend, JS have special class. Okay, constructions. ABCD is a rhombus. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Rhombus means what? No. Rhombus means what?
All sides equal.
A
All
pair of
sides are equal. Okay.
sides are parallel.
All sides are parallel means rhombus, rhombus, square, rectangle, all parallelograms only. Eh? That's why I told you know. Rhombus, rhombus, rectangle, square, all parallelograms only. So opposites are parallel. Okay. ABCD is a rhombus. EABF is a straight line. EA, look, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. EABF, EA, EABF is a straight line. EABF is a straight line such that EA equal to AB equal to BF.
Sir, can
Such
you
that-
repeat the question?
I'm reading only. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. EABF is a straight line such that EA equal to AB equal to BF. Clear? EA equal to AB equal to BF. Prove that ED and FC. Prove that ED and FC intersect at 90 degree. ED and FC produced meet at right angle. ED and FC ED and FC produced meet at right angle. Meet at right angle. Question again. Hello, question. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay. EA, AB, BF are equal. Show that this angle 90 degree, angle F 90 degree. Okay, just draw, then I'll show you. Okay. You just draw the figure only. But you should know what is the rhombus angle. Okay.
Sir, can we start doing it?
This one I'll explain it. Okay.
Okay.
Can you repeat after proof?
Show that angle F is 90 degree. Show that angle F equal to 90 degree. Finish the figure.
No,
Sir.
Just draw the figure, then I'll explain this.
Yes, sir. Completed drawing the figure.
Okay, look at here now. Our plan is this angle 90. Okay, I'm not going to show that angle 90. I'll show this plus this one 90. Okay, look at here. EA equal to AB, number one. Is it okay? EA equal to AB. Why?
Given.
It's given.
Given.
AB equal to AD, number two. Why? AB equal to AD.
All sides equal in the rhombus.
Okay, all sides are equal in the rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay. From 1 and 2, we get EA equal to AD. Correct or not? These are equal.
Yes.
Because this equal to this one, this equal to this one. So these are equal, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, angle E equal to angle EDA. These two angles are equal. Angle opposite equal sides are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right now. Right. EA equal to AB, number one, given. EA equal to EA equal to AB. EA equal to AB, number one, given. Then AB equal to AD, number two, sides of rhombus. Sides of a rhombus. AB equal to AD, sides of a rhombus. Sides of a rhombus. Okay. From 1 and 2, we get EA equal to AD. From 1 and 2, we get EA equal to AD. EA equal to AD. Okay. Okay. Therefore, angle E equal to angle EDA. Angle E equal to angle EDA. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Stop. I'm just assume this is X, this is also X. What about this angle? This one X. 2X. Why?
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle. Exactly. Good. Right. Let angle E equal to angle EDA equal to X. Let angle E equal to angle EDA equal to let E equal to angle EDA equal to X. Therefore, angle EAB, therefore angle DAB. Therefore, angle DAB equal to 2X. Therefore, angle DAB equal to 2X. Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Okay. Similarly, this is Y, this also Y. How much this one? 2Y, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. Similarly, angle ABC 2Y. You should mark it here. Y, 2Y. Similarly, angle ABC 2Y. Okay. Right. Similarly, Y, this is 2Y. Okay. Now, AB parallel to BC. So that means 2X plus 2Y how much?
180.
180 degree. Why? Reason. AB co-interior angles, right? AB parallel, not AB, AD, sorry, AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. Therefore, 2X plus 2Y equal to 180. 2X plus 2Y equal to 180. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. And what about X plus Y?
Sir, 90.
90. X plus Y equal to 90. X plus Y equal to 90. Okay. Then in triangle E, F, E, what is that letter? E, no, this is E, right? This is F, okay. In triangle EFD. This is which letter, this one?
Sir, I think
Sir,
the
F.
upper one is
That
So
was
that
F.
should be F.
F. This is F. This is E, right? No.
No, sir.
This is which letter?
Another
Yeah,
letter.
okay, we can use G.
You can
Okay,
see.
in triangle EFG. In triangle EFG. Okay, X plus Y plus F. X plus Y plus angle G equal to 180. Correct or no? In triangle EFG. X plus F plus G 180. Angle sum property. But X plus Y how much?
90.
90.
90.
X plus Y 90. Therefore G how much?
Sir, 90.
90. Because X plus Y 90 means G also 90. Okay. So if you want, you can just check, go through the note. 3 minutes.
Sir, can you repeat after angle DAB is equal to 2x, then it was similarly angle ABC is equal to 2y, yeah?
2y, yes.
Okay, sir.
Then AD parallel to BC.
Yeah, okay, sir.
In rhombus, opposite sides are parallel. So 2x plus 2y 180 co-interior angles. X plus y 90. You divide by 2. Then in triangle EFG, X plus y 90, then G equal to 90.
So could you repeat what was after similarly angle ABC equal to 2y?
ABC equal to 2y, then it is the AD parallel to BC.
Yes.
Then 2x plus 2y 180. Then x plus y 90. Hence, in triangle EFG, x plus y 90, therefore G equal to 90.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, next question. Right. P, Q, R, S respectively. P, Q, R, S respectively. P, Q, R, S. Once again, P, Q, R, S respectively. The midpoint of the sides, AB, BC, CD, DA have a quadrilateral ABCD. P, Q, R, S, P, Q, R, S respectively. The midpoint of the sides AB, BC, CD, DA respectively of a quadrilateral ABCD. Of a quadrilateral ABCD, in which AC in which AC equal to BD, in which AC equal to BD, AC equal to BD, AC equal to BD. Prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Prove that PQRS is a rhombus. PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. P, Q, R, S. Okay. AC perpendicular to BD. Oh, no. AC, no. Okay. AC equal to BD. Show that PQRS is a rhombus. Show that PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. Okay, try now. Question clear? P, Q, R, S. Okay. ABCD is not a rectangle. It's a quadrilateral. Original figure is a quadrilateral. Don't misunderstand. Okay. If you want, I'll change the figure. Look. A, B, C, D. P here, Q here, R here, S here.
Sir, are PQRS the midpoints?
P, Q, R is the midpoints of A, B, B, C, C, D, and D. And AC and BD are equal. AC and BD are equal. Okay. Prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. Try now. Hello. Try first.
Sir, should prove that PQRS is a rhombus.
Rhombus, yes. Given what? ABCD is a quadrilateral. No restriction. It's not a parallelogram. Okay. Then, but given is AC equal to BD. Given is AC equal to BD. Okay. Try now.
So we have to prove that PQRS is a quadrilateral, no, a parallelogram or a rhombus.
Rhombus.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we have to prove PQRS is a parallelogram, right, sir?
PQRS is a rhombus.
Okay, we have to prove it as a rhombus.
Okay. Getting speed up, man. I have we have to finish this chapter now. 2-3 weeks now, revision only. Anyone finish or not?
No, sir. Almost.
Okay, what's your plan? Hello. Tell me their plan.
So first to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram.
Okay, tell us. That is finished. First you show PQRS a parallelogram. Correct or no? I hope everyone knows that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then in triangle ABD, P is the midpoint, S is the midpoint. PS equal to half BD, correct? And I calling number, your number is balance number is what? Use number which one? I think you 5, right? Okay, any number you call. Similarly, listen, PS equal to half of BD. PQ equal to half of AC. You call number, but BD and AC equal, correct or no? Hello? BD and AC equal in the question, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
that means
Yes,
PS equal to PQ, right? In
Yes.
a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. It is what? In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. What is that?
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
The rhombus,
Rhombus.
right? Last class, I put a note in the our group, right? You saw that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
first, okay. I hope everyone finished parallelogram. Then right. In triangle ABD, P is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. Then given S is the midpoint of AD. S is the midpoint of AD. S is the midpoint of AD given. Then by midpoint theorem, PS equal to half of BD. PS equal to half of BD. What is the number? Your number, tell me first. Which number balance? Hello? What is the number here? Come on. Anyone finish or not? What is the number?
Sir, number 7.
So 7.
How it is 7? How it is 7? Eh? I don't think how it is 7. To show a PQR as a parallelogram, 7 is required. Why? We never use 7. Anaga, how many numbers you got?
So I got 7.
Can you read a full note? Then 7. I wonder 7 why. Can you read?
Yes, sir.
Only up to parallelogram. Okay.
Oh wait, not 7, sir. I got 6. 1 second, sir.
To show, I think we did up to parallelogram. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we did this question. Okay.
So up to parallelogram, there are 6.
Okay. You
Yes,
read.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read. Wait. Anuvama Singh. Anuvama, read your note up to parallelogram.
Yes, sir. In triangle ADC, S is the midpoint of AD. R is a midpoint of DC. By midpoint theorem, SR parallel to AC equation 1.
Okay. SR parallel to AC. Number 1. SR equal to half of AC. Number 2. Right.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, PQ parallel to AC. Number 3. PQ equal to half of AC. Number 4. Then 1 and 3. SR parallel to PQ. Number 5. Number 2 and 4. SR equal to PQ. Number 6. Then 5. Correct. Then 5 and 6 will get PQR as a parallelogram. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
You are right. Then this is 7. This is 8. Okay. Then right. PS equal to half of BD. PS equal to half of BD. Then similarly, PQ equal to half of AC. PQ equal to half of AC. Okay, but BD equal to AC, number 9. BD equal to AC, number 9 given. Therefore, PS equal to PQ. Therefore, PS equal to PQ. Okay, PS equal to PQ. Then write in a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. It is a rhombus. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. It is a rhombus. Okay. So that means to show parallelogram, to show parallelogram, 7 point is 6 point. Understood now? To parallelogram, 6 points. 7 point, PS equal to half of BD, midpoint theorem. PQ equal to half of AC, again midpoint theorem. BD equal to AC, number 9 given. Therefore, PS equal to PQ. Hence, PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. Copy first. Your reader questions are very important. I just mark you some question. Okay. Not today. Yeah. Next one. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Right. PQRS are respectively the midpoint of the sides AB, BC, CD, DA of a quadrilateral ABCD. P, Q, another question. Okay. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S respectively, the midpoint of the sides AB, BC, CD, DA of a quadrilateral ABCD. AC perpendicular to BD. AC perpendicular
Can
to
you
BD.
repeat the question, sir?
P, Q, R, S respectively. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. You can see now. P, Q, R, S respectively. The midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and DA respectively of a quadrilateral ABCD. AC perpendicular to BD. AC perpendicular to BD. Prove that PQRS is a rectangle. Prove that PQRS is a rectangle.
So can you repeat the question?
From where you wrote?
So I wrote till AB, BC, CD, CD, DA respectively of quadrilateral ABCD.
What? You wrote P, Q, R,
Yes, sir.
S respectively the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, DA of a quadrilateral ABCD. Right?
Yes, I wrote till there.
Then AC perpendicular to BD. AC perpendicular to BD. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Show that PQRS is a rectangle. Show that PQRS is a rectangle. Okay. What you will do? What's the plan?
Sir, is ABCD a parallelogram
No.
or
No, it's a
it's
quadrilateral.
quadrilateral?
It's a quadrilateral.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what is your plan, Harris?
Prove it's a parallel.
First show parallelogram, right?
Yes, sir.
First
Yes,
show
sir.
parallelogram, then show one angle 90. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
In a
Yes, sir.
parallelogram, listen. In a parallelogram, one angle 90, it is a rectangle. Okay, first show parallelogram. I hope everyone knows how to show parallelogram.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, parallelogram finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parallelogram
sir.
is just not down. Okay, look at here. After that, I've just called this one. You remember?
Yes, sir.
This is parallel to here, right? Because the parallelogram is showed SR parallel to AC, right? No, parallelogram first point SR parallel to AC, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that means MR parallel to ON. Number what? Number what? 7, right?
Yes, number 7.
MR parallel to ON, number 7. Similarly, OM parallel to RN, number 8. Okay. Therefore, ONRM is what? OMRN is what?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
This Shravan, are you getting or not? This all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first you show parallelogram. That's a common. Okay. Then you write MR parallel to ON. Reason SR parallel to AC. Similarly, OM parallel to RN. Therefore, this ON-RM is a parallelogram. Okay. What about angle O? Angle O equal to angle R, right? Angle O
Yes,
equal to
sir.
angle R, right? In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle O how much?
90 degrees.
90. So
90
R is
degree.
90. R is 90 means in a parallelogram, one angle 90, it is a rectangle. Okay, complete your note.
Yes.
Okay, complete. You take your time, complete any pending. Okay. So next one, a diagonal of a parallelogram. Now before that, okay, okay, right. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. Show that it is a rhombus. Show that it is a rhombus.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
A diagonal of a parallelogram. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. A diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angle. Show that it is a rhombus. Show that it is a rhombus. Hello. Anybody got? What is the question? The question is a diagonal of a parallelogram bisect one of its angles. Look. A, B, C, D. This diagonal bisect one of the angles. 1, 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. 3, 4. Show that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, you mark it like this. Given is ABCD is a parallelogram and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Show that ABCD is a rhombus. Show that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Look at here. Is it okay? AB equal to CD enough? If you can show AB equal to BC, is it rhombus then?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Look, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Call it number 1. Given AD parallel to BC, which implies angle 1, angle 2 equal to angle 4, 3. Number 2, alternate angles. AB parallel to DC, angle 1 equal to angle 4, number 3. 1, 2, 3. We get angle 1 equal to angle 3, which implies what? Angle 1 and 3 equal, then what happened? 1 and 3 equal, then what happened? Hello?
Sir,
AB equals BC.
1 and 3 equal, what happened? AB equal to
BC.
BC. AB equal to BC. Then what? AB equal to BC means
So it's a rhombus.
is a rhombus.
Adjacent
Okay.
sides are equal.
Yeah, adjacent, sorry. You write now. Everyone write? Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Okay. Then AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, parallel. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 4. Angle 1 equal to angle 4. Then AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. Then angle 2 equal to angle 3. Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Okay. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Hence, AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Therefore, ABC is a rhombus. Okay. Everyone take the reader. Hello. I just want to reconfirm. Take the reader. Hello. Take the reader. Page number 151. Page 151. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 4, 2, 3. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then page 147, 10, 12, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Work out this question now. Start from 8.2, question number 2 onwards.
So
Start
can you
from
repeat the page number 146?
8.2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 8.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, and 12. Clear now? Are you okay
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay. Start now.
Yes, sir.
With the no need to write the question, with the proper figure important thing, proper writing and everything. Okay, these are the star questions. Okay, for the coming test. So make sure this one. If not getting, I'll explain that. Okay. If anyone have doubt, draw proper figure. Okay. I think it's the third time we are doing these questions. These are very important questions. Okay. Plus examples you have to check in. That's later. Okay. Which question do you know? Anyone getting now? Anyone have doubt? Aisha, getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, no doubt.
I just want to make sure because these are important questions for coming test.
So we have to do the second question and which all questions, sir?
Hello.
Sir, after the second question, which all questions should we do?
I
The
already
third
said
and the
no.
fourth?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.2.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
With the proper figure, okay? Kadir, getting it now? Neela, Nitin.
Yes, sir.
So look at here, you have to finish this one, okay? This work you have to finish it. So next class I'll do some question from the selected one from the polynomials. And today's test is quadrilaterals. Prepare for that.